Acuity Scheduling Booking Platform Review. Usage Experience. Welcome to our Acuity Scheduling Review. Links to the platform and additional resources are provided in the description below. Let's get straight to the point and explore its features, target users, and overall performance. Acuity Scheduling is a powerful online booking platform designed for businesses and professionals who need to manage appointments, streamline scheduling, and enhance client communication. Whether you're a solopreneur, a small business, or part of a larger team, Acuity offers tools tailored to meet your needs. One of its standout features is the real-time calendar availability. Clients can view your schedule, book a time slot that works for them, and receive instant confirmation, all without requiring back-and-forth communication. The platform syncs seamlessly with popular calendar apps like Google Calendar, Outlook, and iCloud to prevent double bookings and ensure your appointments are always up to date. Acuity also supports customizable appointment types, allowing you to create tailored services with different durations, prices, and availability. This makes it ideal for businesses offering diverse services such as therapists, coaches, fitness instructors, and salons. The platform's integration with payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and Square ensures a smooth checkout process, letting clients pay at the time of booking. Automated notifications and reminders are another key feature, helping reduce no-shows and keeping clients informed. The platform also allows for intake forms to be sent during booking, so you can collect necessary information up front. For businesses managing group sessions, classes, or events, Acuity offers robust group booking options as well. Branding customization is available, enabling you to maintain a professional look by adding your logo, colors, and personalized messages to the booking experience. Additionally, Acuity integrates with tools like Zoom, Zapier, and CRM systems, making it a great fit for both in-person and virtual service providers. While there's a free plan for basic needs, premium plans unlock advanced features like text reminders, multiple calendar management, and priority support, perfect for growing businesses. In conclusion, Acuity Scheduling is a reliable, user-friendly platform for businesses looking to simplify scheduling, enhance client interactions, and boost operational efficiency. If this sounds like the solution you've been searching for, check the links in the description to learn more and get started today.